Review of this focuser open sweep carving knife now that I've used it for a few hours. The size of the blade I find is a little bit short if you're doing small stuff. Yes, it works fine for that, potentially for bigger bowls, you know, a large eater, small server. Yes, it's okay. If you're going to something bigger, then the blade is perhaps a little bit short. It would be nice if it was another centimetre longer, or even 3/4, because when you start to come in here, this is fine. But then when you want to come up to the middle of the bowl a bit, then you're wanting to extend your hand down the handle a bit to get that reach. And the difficulty really is, this is very small around here. The handle shape just isn't suited for that. It needs to be more chunky at the end. The sharpness of the blade, I've been using it on broadleaf privet and a little bit on some acacia. It holds up. The website says for basswood only. Why make a spoon carving knife for basswood only? I don't know. I've given feedback to the manufacturer. But overall, look, it's quite a nice little knife to use. It's handy, but in terms of the handle size and the blade length, it could just be a bit bigger. Because to my mind, if you've got a knife that's going to be used for spoon carving, it should be able to cope with even stuff up to this size, which isn't big by any means for what I make. But anyway, that's just a little bit of feedback on the focuser open sweep carving knife.